they sort of waddle around a little bit. But look at them in the water. They're very well adapted for spending their day in the ocean hunting for fish and for squid. Luckily they don't have to hunt here. They've got it nice and easy. They could go out, potentially, up to 20 kilometres out to sea in search of food. And while they're out there, they'll often have a little bit of a rest at the surface. You can see they've actually got a thin layer of air trapped within their plumage, a bit like wearing a life jacket. So that allows them to conserve a bit of energy while they're spending their time out in the sea. They have more feathers on their body than any other bird, and those feathers are kept waterproof from oil at a gland at the base of the tail. And it's quite salty in the ocean. These penguins have what's called a supraorbital gland located above their eyes, and that removes the excess salt from their bloodstream. You might have also seen one of the questions back around the corner there. It says, what are they more related to? Is it a bat, is it an emu, or is it an eagle? Not a bat, because a bat's a mammal like we are. Penguins are a type of bird, so it's down to the emu, which can't fly, and the eagle, which can fly. Penguins, believe it or not, are actually classified as a flying bird. They're obviously not flapping around the exhibit though, are they? But they've still got the keel bone, and that attaches their flight muscles. Over time, their wings have evolved into flippers. You'll notice these ones swimming around in the water, they're essentially flying in the water. Emus, on the other hand, are a proper flightless bird known as a ratite. The emus do not have that bone or those muscles. That's why the penguin more related to the eagle than it is to the emu, which is pretty exciting. Swimming around again, the colour, nice blue on top, white underneath, is all about camouflage. So if you're a predator, maybe a seal or a shark, looking down on top of that penguin, that blue camouflage is at the bottom and the ocean. If you're a predator looking up, that white camouflage is more of the sunlight coming down. So that's why they've evolved through those different colours to try and escape being eaten out in the wild. Our youngest ones in here, we have